So this video is going to be a dashboard walkthrough of the new YIVE system. So the tutorial section is down here, but before we get to that, up here on the top right we have a system online. This is our status box. This tells you if something is going on with the system. You can click this box and it will actually pull up our individual systems that are running. Right now our stacker system is offline, and that's the account onboarding system. So right now at this moment we're not onboarding accounts. That is something that probably more than likely will only be offline once in a while. Right now we're making improvements to it. This is before launch, so that's why you're seeing it offline. But you can always check this screen to see if something's been deactivated and we're working on it. That type of thing. So just be aware that that's there. The support system is here, and again there is a video in the tutorial section about how to create a ticket, what information we need from you when you're submitting a ticket so that we can actually answer your question quickly. If we have to go digging through your account to find information, it's going to take us a long time to answer you. Obviously you want a quick answer. We want to be able to handle it quickly for you. So please be sure to watch that video on how to submit a support ticket. So the main area when you log in, typically you'll get is the dashboard. It's going to give you some video stats. We're going to be actually updating this dashboard over time as we get feedback from users, what would be helpful. But this is where you can identify there's a problem in your account, like a sudden spike in errors, failed videos, things like that. That's to make sure that you're getting the video output that you expected to get from your campaigns. And then your videos will be listed as they're being made and uploaded. It will give you all the videos and their statuses here below. You can sort through them by varying statuses as they populate into this table here. Okay, so of course, if you want to add your YouTube accounts first, which we assume you will, this is actually found under Stacker. There's going to be separate videos on actually creating Google accounts and then adding them to the system, and what that process looks like. But all of that can be found under Stacker. Individual videos being produced on your account can all be found here. You can search for them by title here. You can also search by their current status, that type of thing. Yeah, Verify is still in the system. We will be deprecating it at some point, but it still functions as normal. One of the things you want to do after you get activated is to go in here and set up your integrations if you use them. So your Twilio integration is here. Your Amazon is all you need here is to add the Amazon Associates tags that you want your links built with. So basically it's a matter of just clicking the button, adding the tag information. You can copy paste that right out of Amazon. It's literally going to be the name -20. Usually Amazon Associates tag have a -20 at the end of them, and that's literally all you need to add here. You can add as many as you want. So if you have different campaigns in Amazon, different accounts, that's how you will be able to direct which accounts get the commissions. Or which campaigns get the commissions. If you want to use Amazon short links, you can integrate with Bitly. There is a separate video on how to do integration with Bitly, and you can add as many Bitly accounts as you want. Of course, I think you can do up to 10,000 a month, but Bitly's monthly limits could change from time to time, so just check that out. SynLab, you just put your API key and your account email in. SendWire, if you use it, we're going to be deprecating this as well, because they're constantly making updates to your interface that are a little hard to keep up with, and we lose accounts frequently there, so we don't use it as much anymore. And then you can do a backup of all your videos out of the YIVE system into an Amazon S3 bucket, and there are plenty of videos on YouTube on how to get your AWS secret access key, your key ID, things like that, in order to get a bucket set up and then get a bucket ID added. and then that will allow all of your videos to get updated, or I should say saved to the bucket on Amazon. We don't allow backing up to Dropbox or Google Drive. Obviously, we don't want to give Google a footprint of all the videos you've had done in YIVE. So once integrations are done and you start adding your accounts, after that you can create campaigns. So when you click on list campaigns, you can see existing campaigns that you already have had run, and then you can click on new campaign. Of course, there's separate videos on each of these campaign types, which you can watch in this tutorial section. It's important to pay attention to each of the tutorials so that you understand some of the tips and ideas about using them. We do have separate strategy videos, but paying attention to how to set up your parameters is going to allow you to get the most out of the system. So make sure to watch those videos. When you are interested in exporting a report of all of the video titles and IDs, their URLs, any link to download them, you can export a CSV file, an Excel file, an XLSX, or a PDF of whatever report you want to do. You can select it by campaign, download it, give it a file name, and hit submit. It will generate that and then prompt you to go ahead and download it. That's it. So that's the walkthrough right now, the dashboard. Playlist Booster is not something we've got active right now. It is coming soon. We have a bunch of other new features that'll be coming soon as well. They'll show up here in the left side navigation, and of course when we do that, we'll also put together a tutorial for each of those new items that we add. So that's it for the dashboard right now, and we'll see you in the next video.